Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh and welcome to the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 network. Here's a look at the latest headlines. The Maya Samman Yojana has emerged as a decisive political tool for the JMM in Jharkhand, boosting their chances of electoral dominance. With women's voter turnout playing a key role in 68 out of 81 constituencies, the Yojana is central to Chief Minister Hemant Soren's strategy. In Bengal's by-polls, the Trinamool Congress has claimed victory in all 4 seats, a major setback for the BJP. The high voter turnout and key issues like unemployment and law and order have bolstered the TMC ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. In Delhi, a woman and her lover have been arrested in connection with the alleged murder of her child. The investigation is ongoing, and authorities are urging the public to report signs of abuse to prevent such tragedies. In Maharashtra, Aditya Thackeray is leading in the Worli seat. The electoral battle is heating up between the ruling Mahayuti alliance and the opposition Maha Vikas Aghadi, with the final outcome to be decided on 23 November. In Bhokar, BJP's Shrija Chavan is leading by over 12,000 votes, emphasizing development issues like education and infrastructure. In Sakoli, Nana Patole is leading against BJP's Avinash Brahmankar. The result will determine if Patole secures a third term or if Brahmankar's fresh approach prevails. In Mumbadevi, BJP's Shaina NC trails by 10,398 votes, with Amin Patel holding a strong lead. Despite Shaina NC's early performances, Patel's lead looks set to continue. Ajay Chaudhary is leading in Shivdi, aiming for a third consecutive win, supported by a strong local following and a policy-driven campaign. Punjab's by-polls have seen AAP securing a win in Chabbewal, while leading in Gider Baha and Dera Baba Nanak. Congress leads in Barnala, following the election of incumbent legislators to the Lok Sabha earlier this year. In Maharashtra, Fadnavis celebrated the Mahayuti alliance's continuing lead, asserting that "Ek hai to safe hai," reinforcing their strong performance. Mangal Prabhat Lodha is leading in Malabar Hill, bolstered by the BJP's continued popularity in Mumbai. Union Minister Amit Shah has praised his leadership. Eknath Shinde has hailed the NDA's landslide victory in the Maharashtra Assembly elections, with the Mahayuti alliance continuing to lead with an overwhelming majority. The Mahayuti alliance is surging ahead, crossing the majority mark in Maharashtra, with BJP leaders confident of a strong mandate, thanking the electorate for their support. The latest results underscore the importance of welfare policies and political strategy. As electoral strategist Sanjay Kumar said, winning the vote is not just about promises, it's about understanding the pulse of the electorate. The Mahayuti alliance is poised for a landslide victory in Maharashtra, as the BJP, Shiv Sena, and NCP factions are likely to form the next government. Ajoy Kumar is trailing by over 27,000 votes in Jamshedpur East. The shifting political landscape in Jharkhand could lead to significant changes as key leaders like Hemant Soren await the final outcome. In Maharashtra, the MVA has raised concerns about the EVMs as the Mahayuti alliance continues to lead in the election results. Voter turnout was 66.05%, slightly higher than the 2019 polls. In Kudal, Nilesh Rane is leading as Shiv Sena seeks victory. The result is closely watched, as it will impact Maharashtra's political future. In another shocking development, Kanye West has been accused of sexual assault during the shoot of a 2010 music video. The case raises serious legal and cultural implications, with public anticipation surrounding West's response. Hemant Soren has reflected on his victory, admitting intense pressure during the campaign, stating, "I don't think I will face such a tough election again." As Maharashtra's results unfold, all eyes are on Shinde and Fadnavis to decide who will be the next chief minister. The leadership question remains unresolved as the final results are counted. In Jharkhand, the JMM-led alliance takes a commanding lead with 50 seats. Hemant Soren expressed confidence, highlighting voters' faith in his vision for a prosperous state. That wraps up the headlines for tonight. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for joining us on Channel 6 Network.